Hi friends, welcome back to hashtag Meghasays. I hope that you had seen my previous videos. All those videos are on different topics, on different subjects. I hope you will definitely like them. If you have not seen them, then go on your YouTube and search for hashtag Meghasays. You will find my channel and watch my all the videos. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So from today, I'm going to start my playlist, my new playlist about finance videos. We all know that finance is the most important topic for every businessman, not only for the businessman but for a regular person also. Though he is a worker, though he is a salaried person, though he is a student, or though she is just a housewife, because in today's world we have to record all our transactions so that we could check that are we doing any extra unwanted expenses, how much income we had done, how much expenses we had done, and how much saving, which is the most important part for everyone's life, we had done. So finance, the study of finance helps me to understand the financial discipline, and it is said that everyone must be financial literature, because knowing the finance helps us to not only to increase our income but also to reduce unwanted expenses and to make extra savings or to make extra profit in the business terms. So today, firstly, I'm going to explain some concepts about our finance. In our institute, in our business, actually we were doing some finance work. I was know only some of finance concept, but when Nagesh sir told us about finance and he started to do presentations on finance, then I started to take do study of finance. And while doing study of finance, I realized that very few person know about the finance concept clearly. And if we understand this financial concept clearly, then I am sure no one will be less in doing finance, proper financing in every business. So I think every person must learn the finance. So firstly today, let me tell you some concept of the finance. Firstly, if you are doing any business, if you are a worker, if you are a student, or if you are a housewife, then you must clear some questions to yourself, not to others. So the first question is, what is meant by finance? Why finance is needed in our everyday life, in our day-to-day life? Then next, what is financial discipline? And the fourth question is, how can we implement the discipline in ourselves, in our business, in our workers, or in our colleagues? These are the most important questions. We have to work on them. While working them, we will go through some concept. Out of them, first concept is what is meant by finance. Very few people know the concept of finance. Whenever we ask them to about finance, they just say that finance means money, finance means our income, finance means our direct income, or just the cash that comes to us. But that is not the fact. Actually the definition of finance is very simple but important. So let's see that the definition of finance is the study or structure of circulating, creating and managing money. In our business, we create money by selling our products, by selling our services also, in service business. So this is the first step, that is mean by how we create money, means creating the money. Second step is circulating money, means if we are in production field, then we have to invest our money in raw materials. We have to purchase that raw materials, then we have to make produce the finishing goods, and then we have to sell those finishing goods. In this all process, we have to circulate our money, means we have to transfer our money for different purposes, that is circulating money. And third point is managing money. Managing money means what is my income, what are my expenses, and how much I have saved through all these passage or in all these days. That is mean by managing money, because the purpose of every business is to earn a profit. And if we are earning money but we are not saving that, or we are not getting proper profit, then there is no use of running business, means we are not working according to our purpose. That's why we have to work on managing the money. All this study is known as a finance. I'm trying to explain it in simple words. So let me explain it again. The finance means creating money, circulating money and managing money. Every businessman, every worker, every student must know about this. Second concept is what is meant by cost. Cost means if you are in production or in manufacturing company, cost means how much you had used or utilized for production, how much you will get return, and the difference between that is our cost. Because whatever we invest for raw materials, we prepare our finishing goods, there is a particular cash, particular amount for that finishing goods also, and then we sell them. After selling that, we got the money, but from that money we have to deduct our expenses of raw material production, and whatever that remains, that is our cost, that is called as cost. And third concept is that accounts. We all know that we create our account in banks, we create our account in any Pata Samstha or all other things. But in finance world, account means the name of transaction. Means suppose I had purchased the goods, then there will be a purchase goods account, and if I had purchased goods on cash, then there will be a cash account. Means according to me, in simple words, if I want to explain the accounts, then it will be the name of our transaction. Means by what reason or by what purpose we are doing transaction, that is called as accounts. So these were three concepts: finance, cost and accounts. So now when I study some financial concept, I got two questions: what is meant by finance person and what is meant by non-finance person. Maximum persons say that the person who earns money is a finance person, or the person who use money is a finance person, but that's not true. While working at a company level or at a workplace, finance person is the person whose activity, whose decision, whose thinking can affect on our income or can affect on our profit is known as finance person. Suppose, let me give an example of our class. Suppose I am a trainer in our class, and if I am teaching to my students properly, so that they are getting satisfied and they are bringing new admissions, they are paying their fees on time. So this is the effect of my action, of my all my work. So I become finance person, because if I not teach them properly, if I not give them a proper quality, then definitely they will not bring the admissions, and if they stop bringing the admissions, then our income will be stopped. That's why the finance person is the one whose actions, whose decisions can affect on our profit, can affect on our income. And non-finance person means the person whose activity, whose decisions, whose thinking doesn't affect on business income or doesn't affect on our profit. And I think so there is not such a person in any organization whose actions are not affecting our income. Suppose if you are a new trainer, then you must keep good contact with your trainers. Suppose I am a manager, then I must take inquiries properly, so that all my inquiries will be final on the same position and they will pay the fees on time. Suppose if I am a senior, then I must pay proper attention to my trainers also and to my students also, because they are the main source of our income. So in our institute also, that every person, every human being is a finance person, because his actions, his thoughts, his work has the power to affect on our income. That's why in our class every person is a finance person, and if we think in that way, that I'm a finance person, my actions, my decisions, my work is getting affected by income, or it is useful for increasing my income, or it is creating problem while increasing my income, then I am sure everyone will work excitedly, because everyone will get involved in our work, everyone will get involved in our target, and we can achieve our target easily, because here teamwork matters. Every person in our team is finance person. If we realize our trainers and students that they are finance person for our company, then I am sure they will definitely help to complete our target. They will definitely help to increase our income, our admissions. So these are concept. And non-finance person, I think there is not a single person who is non-finance person, because as I said earlier, every person's actions, work is affecting on our income, on our profit. So this was my today's video about I told in today's video about what is mean by finance, what is mean by cost, what is mean by account, and I explained the two concept, finance person and non-finance person. I hope you understand that videos. If you have any suggestions in my videos, or if you have any queries in my videos, then you can send me those in my comment box. I will definitely reply you. And today I will send my second videos which will tell us more details about finance or about our finance person. Okay, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye.